First, remove the guard plate. Find the fixing screw of the thermocouple and loosen it. Cut off the tied cable ties. Pull out the thermocouple. Loosen the fixing sleeve of the junction box. Then remove the 4 screws on the junction box. Find the 2 wires of the thermocouple. Loosen the corresponding 2 screws. Pull out the thermocouple slowly. Treat the new thermocouple to the same length. Then slowly pass into the junction box. Connect the 2 wires to their original positions. The red wire is connected to the wire marked with plus. The black wire is connected to the wire marked with minus. Then, fix the 4 screws of the junction box back and restore. Thread the thermocouple into the fixing sleeve of the junction box. Put the fixing sleeve back in place and tighten it. Insert the thermocouple into the fixing hole. Tighten the screws that secure the thermocouple. Put back the stainless steel cover. Tighten the screws. Use cable ties to tie up the wires. Finally, cut off the excess part. The replacement is completed.